what can we see here with Bitcoin? We can see that yesterday's daily candle was a nice, let's say, well, some people may argue spinning top, because we have some wicks to the upside here and larger wick to the downside. So we're printing this sort of spinning top or bullish hammer, whatever you want to call it. Both bullish reversal candlestick or bullish continuation. Reversal in the sense we were coming down, and now this is meant to reverse you because you were running down into support and you've met the floor, so you need to reverse. That's shown by this wick because we were down here below support, which was previous resistance, so we were below it. If we close below, we're trying to confirm it as resistance, which would have been that scenario where it would have come back down to this support, but you held the outside, you reversed from here, the bull stepped in, believed this price was too low for Bitcoin, made this red candle a green candle, and it looks like today we want to get this bullish continuation. So for now, this is obviously a good statement. I was telling everyone yesterday in yesterday's YouTube update that if we were on the daily time frame, this is our support. So you'd go down to the 15-minute or something, and I told you guys from the low over here that we would retrace to at least 46k, which was the 200 EMA, and you can see we met that. So if you took that trade yesterday, that would have been amazing. I think I said once we break this high over here, you could take the trade to the 200 EMA, just back to that high. You could see 1.54%. So with a 10x leverage, this could have been a 15-16% trade. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3k, scam master account management where I lost 5k, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Now going back to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that obviously we're retraced and we're coming back up. So we had this impulse down and we're retracing. So I'm going to measure from the high to the low. You can see we're running into the 0.618. So I know that if we're getting above this, then it's very bullish. I'm actually going to draw a box from where we first felt resistance, so over there, back down to the 618. So I know if we're getting a 4H close above or inside of this green box, then we're trying to head back to the 1, basically, this previous high. So what Bitcoin's trying to do right now is trying to retrace back to 48,221. And in my group chat yesterday, I'm telling everyone if we're getting a daily close or candles closing above this high, then we should continue on to our technical target. We know our technical target, well, we have a couple. So obviously one being the 618, 52k, but out of this Fibonacci retracement from this high, 44.4k, down to the 33k low, that's the 1 fib there. And if we're getting above the 1, which we confirmed as support with this dump right there, dump to the support, held it, and now we are trying to continue to the 1618. So we need to just take out this high to continue to the 1618, 53k, but also we've got this ascending triangle here, the technical target at 56.3k. Not only that, we've got obviously the 0.618 52s, and then yeah, even this smaller Fibonacci from here to here at 51k. So for me personally, because yeah, if we're breaking above this, of course we're heading to 56k, but a short-term trade could be just to this 1618, because that will probably be the next impulse. Obviously this impulse could continue all the way to the 2 targets up here, but usually what would happen is you come to the 1618, retrace back to the 1 before potential continuation like that. Of course, if the momentum is strong, it could literally just continue like that, and then we get a crazy dump afterwards. So I just want to make you guys aware of what I think is going to go on today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Just a reminder, break this. We're heading to minimal 51k. Break the low now. We're heading back to this double bottoms neckline.